Hey girl. Okay, so let's go ahead and get right into it. We are starting off with brows today. Okay, switching it up because I know at one point I was doing my brows at the end of my makeup. But anyways, filling these brows in with my I think this is a brow pencil by Maybelline. Don't quote me on that. But it's like a medium brown brow pencil, and then I'm going in with some concealer on one of my favorite brushes of all times from a Sephora Christmas set. I will always love her. And I'm just carving out the bottom of my brow and then taking a synthetic brush and blending that out onto the lid. Then I'm going in with a deeper concealer for above the brow so it's not like a shocking line around my brows once I finish my makeup. And I'm going to take that same brush and blend that out. Then I'm going in with some brow gel. I believe this is Anastasia's brow gel. And just laying them hairs down. I'm trying to see how I like using brow gel after the fact versus beforehand, like giving lamination vibes. Then I'm using an old Too Faced palette and I'm going in with cool tones today because I'm wearing like a cool tone brown shirt. So I'm using the lightest shade in the palette and creating my transition. Then I'm going in with that dark brown cool shade and I'm taking a small blending brush and defining my crease real good. I don't know, I just feel like this is such a cool vibe. No pun intended, cool shadows, cool vibe. But yeah, I want to go for like cool tones. I feel like I use warm tones more than anything and I'm like, let's do cool today. Like everything about the makeup and the outfit is cool tone, literally. Now I'm going in with a bigger brush and using my first transition shade and buffing out that crease shade. Now I'm going in with the lid shade and I'm doing a combination of a shimmer pink shade in the palette and then like a glittery pink shade in the palette. And I'm going to really lay that on, honey. Okay, pack it in. I want my eyelids to pop as much as possible because I don't have like deep set eyes or anything. So we're taking it up. And then now I'm going in with the glittery shade and I'm laying it on. Like she's serious. Really laying it on, trying to expand the appearance of my lid space. Now we're going in with a cute little tiny wing just to accent the eye. Don't really want the eyeliner to be the star of the show, so she's really on the end of the eye and just tiny and sharp. Okay, just like that. Now I'm going in with one of my favorite lashes. These are the Revenge Beauty Get Even lashes, and I'm popping those on with my handy dandy tweezers. I love these because it's so easy to get in there without feeling like the tweezer is going to stab you, even though they're sharp as heck. And I'm just setting that on. Then I'm going to go in with my little lash. I don't know what kind of tweezers those are called, but you just kind of squeeze lashes together. Now I need to wipe up that fallout. Thank goodness I didn't do my face makeup beforehand because that would have been a mess. And I'm going in with my water powder serum by Danessa Myricks, okay? Because we need this face to be lasting all day. And I'm just packing that on, patting that onto the skin with my fingers. Now I'm just doing some color correcting with, I believe this is my NARS Soft Matte Concealer pot. And I'm just kind of touching up the areas where I feel like I have pigmentation. I mean, I could totally skip this step, but I have the product, so why not? Like, okay, we're full blown indulging the getting ready process right now. Like this is my favorite. Before I knew it, that time was got away from me because I enjoy this so much. But now I'm using ooh, she got an attitude. Okay, rolling her eyes. But no, I'm blending out my contour, cream contour with a small brush. I'm just trying this out because I want to see like how it looks where the when the contour is like really concentrated versus super blended and buffed out. And then I'm going in with my concealer. I think this is a Too Faced concealer. Yeah, I feel like this is my Too Faced concealer. And I'm using my Janessa Myricks Yummy 3.0 brush. Love this brush to buff that into the skin. And then going in with a damp beauty blender and buffing out everything else, picking up any excess product because today clearly it's given heavy handed. I get so excited, and next thing you know, out of hand with the products. So I'm just buffing that in, and then I'm going in with another layer of concealer to really brighten up the under eye. I guess I want to give Barbie, and then look at this. Look at this. Juvia's Place blush, liquid blush, and we already know she's pigmented, but like, why would I go on with so much blush? I just love it though. But like, girl, She is blushed out. Okay? And just buffing that in with a beauty sponge. And look at this nerve of me. The nerve of me. Going back in. At this point, it's a mental illness. But I'm going back in with more blush because there was so much blush on the brush that I used to blend out the product that I was like, let me just take the excess and add more. Because why not? So this is clearly a blush look. But the blush is perfect because it goes well with the cool tones. And then now I'm just going in with my NARS Light Reflecting Foundation, I believe, in Macau. And I'm kind of just blending over my contour and all the other areas on my face where the concealer is not. But I'm just buffing around the edges of the concealer and the blush and all the other products that are supposed to be giving definition to the face. And just kind of using my beauty sponge to kind of buff all that out. Now, make sure you get those under eyes, blend out the under eye concealer before you add your powder. And I believe I'm going in with Maybelline Fit Me powder because it's tinted. And just pressing that in to get the first layer of powder set into the face. Because I was heavy handed with the liquid products, but girl, the powders, I really went crazy. I really wanted to be, I guess, caked up today. Like, really wanted my face to be giving. She's a makeup artist. She does this. So, yeah, I'm just laying it on, putting it everywhere I want to be highlighted because it is a lighter shade than my skin. So, I'm just going over all the areas I want to be highlighted and brought to the forefront of the face. And really just carving out my jaw and my contour. Now I'm going in with a contour shade and a small fluffy brush and just kind of buffing that over the areas where I contoured, hitting this nose contour with my new favorite shade, Obsess, and then I have the nerve to go in with blush. So going in and tapping on some more blush because I can, mind your business. And yeah, I think I'm using two blush shades, a darker pink on the outer part and then a lighter pink on the inner part and buffing them in together. Now I'm going back in. I think this is Laura Mercier's translucence powder and I want to just really press that in to smooth out anywhere that the Maybelline Fit Me powder did not smooth out. I really notice a difference here. Like look at my under eye now. And then I'm going in, I think, with my face powder, my MAC powder, and just buffing that over everything, setting it with, I think that's Makeup Revolution setting spray. Look at that. It looks so pretty with the eyes closed. And then I'm going in with my one size, mat it down, honey, and that's it.